Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a presentation of the research results related to medical subsystem for blood test evaluation based on e-commerce solutions. My name is Valentin and I will be delivering our results in today's presentation. A few words about our interdisciplinary team. We are university lecturers and industry researchers dedicating our time to economic and industrial professional applications. Tatiana is a lead in scientific laboratory on education approaches and tools, dealing with modern education systems and development of the new simulation software. Andrea and Anna are leading specialists in automation of processes in industry. I'm a business solution analyst, developing solutions for e-commerce applied to international markets. Due to my professional career, I'm seriously involved into modeling of business processes and business analysis of various multidisciplinary projects. The COVID-19 pandemic exposed significant challenges in medical and healthcare system, forcing a rethink of interactions with medical institutions. The exponential increase of patients highlighted the need for the new approaches to logistics, medical tests, staff readiness, and equipment to process patient influx and records. This urgent situation prompted modernization of laboratory bases, the laboratory networks emerging as certified centers for blood sampling and processes to support more patients, promote consultancy, facilitate expert conclusions, monitor diseases, progression, and validate treatment results. However, supply chain of these organizations still relies on specialized e-commerce solutions integrated with ERP systems. While standard e-commerce solutions cater to regular users, there is a growth demand of e-commerce applications with additional modeling subsystems to automate specific areas where e-commerce is applied. The medical and healthcare landscape is constantly evolving, driven by reforms and unprecedented challenges introducing various novelty and changing the documentation flow. The COVID-19 pandemic exposed critical vulnerabilities, overwhelming system, highlighting the urgent needs for improving logistics, testing capabilities, and staff readiness. In response, laboratory modernization became a priority with emergence of lab networks serving certified centers for blood sampling and processing. These networks aim to support more patients, promote consultancy over laboratory investigations, facilitate expert conclusions, monitor disease progressions, and validate treatment results. The pandemic underscored the importance of adaptability and resilience within medical subsystems, promoting to rethink how we interact with the support of these vital institutions. As laboratory networks expanded their supply chain operations, relied heavily on e-commerce solutions integrated with enterprise resource planning systems. While standard e-commerce platforms cater to regular users, the healthcare sector have witnessed a growing demand on specialized e-commerce applications. These applications incorporate additional subsystems tailored to automate specific areas and streamline processes within the healthcare domain. By leveraging e-commerce solutions, medical organizations can enhance support to supply chain efficiency, optimize logistics, improve inventory management, and foster stronger vendor relationships. The potential for e-commerce to revolutionize healthcare supply chains is significant, offering opportunities to reduce cost, enhance operation efficiency, and ultimately improve patients' care through seamless access to essential medical supplies and equipment. The medical subsystem is designed to support users' roles with actual real-time report information and updated visualization of data on supplies needs for upcoming period. As a part of integrated e-commerce solution, a subsystem enriches additional elements, resulting in data queries fed to reports assembled based on collected data. The medical subsystem is sufficient to support medical institutions up to 4 levels of a hierarchy to support reporting. The numbers of layers may vary and impact the number of aggregation layers, which suppliers may outline and can support in their institutions. Most ERP-based solutions support 4 layers. However, they still allow to install extensions and overcome this limitation. Reflection at the hierarchy level may impact the number of layers for data aggregation and the number of potential customers to be added to the system. Let us review the architecture with the ERP system like SAP S/4HANA Cloud and e-commerce solutions and a medical subsystem. The Cloud ERP ensures minimal latency data access across the regions. The e-commerce service are cloud-based and API for front-end and back-end controls, enabling data export to medical subsystem. Web applications manage access allocation and control for different user groups. Data from nodes is processed with service calls and stored in the medical subsystem node, enabling users to operate within their data layers and leverage the node computing power. The medical subsystem interacts with reporting service, IoT devices, and data collection, and the monitoring subunit with triggering notifications for report updates. Unautomated organizations can still send data through their e-commerce cloud service. The modeling subsystem analyzes, aggregates data, and generates predictive reports for upcoming periods, enabling data-driven decision-making and optimized supply chain management. The medical subsystem acts as a centralized hub, enabling various stakeholders to access relevant data and reports tailored to their roles and responsibilities. Key actors, including customers, managers, administrators, and industry representatives, can leverage the subsystem's capability to optimize supply satisfaction, maintain uninterrupted service, and maximize profitability. Real-time data aggregation and multi-level access ensures that stakeholders receive up-to-date information and insights specific to their needs. The integration of the medical subsystem with e-commerce platform empowers data-driven decision-making, facilitating efficient supply chain management, inventory control, and forecasting. This synergy between technology and healthcare aims to streamline operations, reduce costs, and ultimately enhance patient care through seamless access to essential medical supplies and equipment. Looking at comparative analysis of the period recorded in analytics and minding that the project went live in August 2023, the number of shop accounts created in the web shop seriously increased, providing usability that proven that the platform was very welcomed by users. The new shop accounts created indicated spikes around seasonal exhibitions and fairs. The number of pages views stable. However, the number of orders created offline seriously dropped after migration to the newer architecture. Stable trend of transactions increases with the usability and scalability of specific regions that have stable reflections of transactions amount and value of online transactions. Besides financial effectiveness, the trend ensures the laboratory logistics are kept in a way higher level than before thanks to wasted algorithms and optimizations of order strategy. Besides the models of feedback loop taken into account of ordering predictions and taking into account algorithms of wasted tests seriously improve the supply chain of organizations. The extensible e-commerce solution enables subject-oriented add-ons and components that can play a crucial role in medical laboratories and supply organizations' work processes. Visualize data, values, help laboratories make better purchase plans, and evaluate supply chains more effectively. The proposed model enables various solutions to apply technologies in combinations with available software, supporting a broader range of applications. Examples of medical devices show the effectiveness of combining a reporting system with a data processing subsystem and how a fully automated solution can be extended with manual entries while still following the data integration and integrated system functioning processes. Cloud computing ensures the medical subsystem satisfies productivity and calculation requirements with minimal latency. Aggregated data across regions can be handled through server-side aggregations for on-the-fly report building or pre-rendered reports for end users. Adhering to fair principles, European Union directives and regulations is crucial for medical information, with taxonomy serving as a potent method for representing conference data and contributing to establishing equality transparent conditions. Thank you very much for your attention, and we reserved some time for your questions.